Good day, sir. Today I will be discussing on how to create a module that can solve the area of the following regular polygons given the length of the sides. So here we have a triangle, a quadrilateral, pentagon, a hexagon, heptagon, octagon, a nonagon, and a decagon. So after this, we have to test our module by the given example to each problem. So first, let's head here to Google Colab. So this is the module that I created. First, I imported the math module, because we have square roots here on some of our formulas here. So uh, to create a module, it's fairly simple. We have to first define the module. Say we have defined sum a, b, and then we have to input the formula here. So sum equals a plus b, for example, and then return the value of sum. So it's fairly easy, simple. So that basic principle applies to all of these here. So for example, define the area of a triangle given the height and width. So the formula of this would be height times width over 2, or in algebra, it can be represented as 1/2 base times height, or uh, height sub b times width over 2, and then return the value of the formula. Return the value of the area of the triangle here. The same goes with the area of a quadrilateral on the side. So here, given the side, so side will be squared, and return the value of the area of the quadrilateral. And the same principles applies to all of these here. Area of a pentagon, hexagon, there are formulas here, return the value of the formulas here. And in order for this module to be created, we need to save it as .py. So it will be a Python file. So to save this, we have to download it as a Python file. So considering I already downloaded it as a Python file, I will show here on how to import the module. So let's open a new notebook here, or maybe we'll just open Jupyter here. Oh no. So let me just reopen the window here. So first, we just have to take note that in order for this to work, the module should be saved in the same directory as where the notebook is stored. So my so the directory of this file is here. So in Python project, it's stored in my desktop, Python projects folder, the module folder, and this is my module here. So in order for this to work, the module and the notebook should be saved in the same directory, so that the module would be imported, and we would have no problems. So here on Jupyter, I already made a code here to execute the module. So here, for the one, we have to find the area of the triangle. Here. So given the sides, say we have 5 and 8. Area of the quadrilateral, given the side, let's say it's 4. It's 4 here. And area of a pentagon is also 4. 4 here, 4 here, 4, 4, 4. So the same here applies to all of this. So the length of their sides are the values that are inputted in the parentheses here. So to import our module, we have to import the name of our module, and I'd like to import it as my, so that it would be organized and short to type in. So the position would be the name of the module, and the area of a triangle here, which the module that we created here, area of a triangle, same here, area of a quadrilateral, and the same principle goes to the others. So here, if we play this, um, we will be given the values here. Area of a triangle is 20, given the formula here. So it's basically it's like printing out a formula and then print a phrase and the output of that variable. Say we have a variable that is programmed to solve a formula and then print the output of that variable. So here it says that area of the triangle is 20, given the formula here, quadrilateral, 16, 4, 4 squared, 16, area of a pentagon, 4, so length times squared, and so on. So it's fairly simple. Um, I think that's it for this discussion. So my learning experience for this module, for this specific activity, is that I discovered a new interpreter or a navigator here, Anaconda, and I also discovered a new Jupyter interpreter, which is fairly easier to use uh, than Python or Google Colab, because to import the module here in Google Colab, we also need to mount our drive and specify the directory, and it's kind of complicated, unlike here in Jupyter that we only have to locate the directory of our module and save the notebook in the same directory and import the module and print out the whatever problem or the solution to a problem is. So my learning experience is that I learned how to make a module, my own module. Maybe this can be used in robotics someday, or the likes. I also learned how to import a module, make formulas, make use of the define and the return functions here, and I also knew that in order for a module to be used, the notebook should be saved in the same directory as the module. So I think that's it for my learning experience, and that is all. Thank you for watching.